Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how you can easily sell tickets using the Seatgeek app. Whether you're on a computer, laptop, or mobile device, the process is quite similar. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred internet browser. Whether it's on your computer, laptop, or mobile device, simply navigate to Seatgeek.com or launch the Seatgeek app if you have it installed. If you don't have an account already, go ahead and create one. Once that's done, log into your Seatgeek account. Upon logging in, locate your profile icon. If you're using a computer or laptop, simply click on it. On mobile devices, you may need to hover over it. Then, select the Sell option from the drop-down menu. You'll be directed to a page where you can either scan the QR code of your tickets or upload the PDF file of your tickets. After uploading your tickets, you can set them up for sale on the Seatgeek app. It's that straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful videos, and until next time, take care.